According to the CDC, overdose deaths are the leading cause of injury-related deaths in the nation, with the majority of those involving opioids. It's an epidemic that was accelerated during the pandemic, and it's something the DEA is trying to prevent with National Prescription Drug Take Back Day. Today, Billings residents had the opportunity to bring in their unused and unwanted medications to the Crime Prevention Center or the Yellowstone County Sheriff's Office from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. through the DEA's Rocky Mountain Field Division. The program has been around for the last 26 years, happening in dozens of sites across Montana, Colorado, Utah, and Wyoming. The DEA hopes Drug Take Back Day will prevent medication misuse and opioid addiction from ever starting, especially with the onset of fentanyl overdoses in the recent years.
You know, the fentanyl epidemic has its roots, if you go back, into the over-prescribing of prescription opiates. And we know as a nation, whether it's the late 90s, early 2000s, how addictive opiates as a whole are. It's one of the most addictive substances that we've seen in humankind, honestly.
If you try to quit caffeine, if you drink it on a regular basis and you try to quit it, what happens? Your body gets, the caffeine headaches, we call them, right? It's that withdrawal that you're going through. The nastiest feeling you've ever heard, the nastiest illness you've ever had, multiply that times 100 is the way it's been described to us by people that have experienced it.
We run into issues with people that have that stuff in their house, and let's say their house gets burglarized or whatever, then the people are gonna immediately go for the medicine cabinet. And that's where we run into the people that are overdosing and selling it and all that stuff. So it just creates bigger problems. So this is just a way for the community to be able to get rid of that stuff.
Last October, nearly 4,500 law enforcement departments nationwide assisted in collecting nearly 600,000 pounds of prescription drugs. That's 300 tons. And if you missed the chance to get rid of your old medications, every day is Drug Take Back Day at the Billings Crime Prevention Center and City Hall. So drop off your pills when you get the chance.